So ang ibig lang sabihin niya, Luis Piso, hindi yung software na in plain simple language, yung software na nasa makina ngayon na gagamitin bukas sa eleksyon, hindi yan yung tinest. Hindi yan yung inaudit ng Technical Evaluation Committee as required by law. Note that the certification should be 90 days, at least 90 days before the elections. Kailan lang nag-certify?
Yeah.
2 weeks before the election? Oh. That's another violation of the law. When you do not follow the law, then something must be amiss. Something must be wrong. Ang sabi ng batas, the certification must be there already 90 days before the elections. Ito, 2 weeks na lang before the elections bago lumabas yung certification. At ito yung concern ni Atty. Respicio. So anong ibig sabihin doon? May itinatago na ayaw malaman ng publiko. So yun na nga, Ate Claire, mga kababayan, mahirap talagang hulihin yung automated cheating dahil nangyayari siya sa loob ng makina at hindi susceptible to manual optical observation ng mga mata natin. Kaya nga ang vote buying, maingay tayo masyado dahil we can observe it, we can see it. But we do not react to automated cheating because we do not see it.